Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're comparing CapCut Pro versus Alternatives 2026 to find out which one is actually better for your needs. Let's keep this simple and honest. So first, let's talk about CapCut Pro. CapCut has become one of the most popular video editing apps, especially for creators on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. The biggest reason is how easy it is to use. You get a clean interface, drag and drop editing, and tons of ready-made templates. With the Pro version, you unlock premium effects, advanced transitions, AI tools like auto captions, background removal, and watermark-free exports. It's perfect for beginners and content creators who want fast, professional-looking videos without spending hours editing. But now let's talk about the alternatives, because this is where things get interesting. Apps like Adobe Premiere Pro offer much more control and advanced editing features. You get detailed timelines, color grading, audio editing, and full professional tools. But the downside is, it's harder to learn and takes more time. Then you have tools like Final Cut Pro, which are powerful and optimized for performance, especially for Mac users. It's faster and smoother than many editors, but still not as beginner-friendly as CapCut. There are also simpler alternatives like InShot or VN Video Editor, which are easy to use but don't offer as many AI features or templates as CapCut. So what's the real difference? CapCut Pro is all about speed, simplicity, and social media content creation. Alternatives like Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro are about full control, professional editing, and high-end production. So which one is better in 2026? If you are a beginner, TikTok creator, or someone who wants quick and easy edits, CapCut Pro is the best choice. But if you are a professional editor, YouTuber, or filmmaker who needs advanced tools, then alternatives like Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro are better. So the final conclusion is simple. CapCut Pro wins for simplicity and speed, but alternatives win for power and professional editing. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.